Hi everyone, welcome back again to my YouTube channel, Natural Living by Enovi, where I show you how easy it is to prepare your favorite meals with healthy options, driving directions around Jamaica, self-care, home care, and so much more. My focus is always on a healthy lifestyle and discussions on how to maintain a positive mindset. Remember to like, subscribe, share, and comment. Subscription is free, so all you need to do is press that red arrow at the bottom of the video. Today we are going on a little drive up to Shortwood Road. I am leaving Princeville Plaza, so we are on Constant Spring Road now, so I'm just waiting to get out. As you can see, it is a rainy morning in Jamaica. We have a system north of the island. It has not yet developed, but it should be developing into a hurricane, but by then it should have passed Jamaica, so we are thankful for that. So since the new roads were fixed and the dual carriageway was carried straight up, you can't just drive across the road in any area. You have to go up to an intersection and turn. Okay, so we are on our way. We're gonna turn onto Shortwood Road from Constant Spring Road and go straight up. Let me straighten the camera. So I hope the lighting is good. I know everybody likes to see the pretty blue sky, but we're in the rainy season now and we're in hurricane season, so there will be days when the sky is not so bright and pretty. So if you wanted to go back to Dunrobin Avenue, you would take the next left at the stoplight, but I'm going to turn right onto Shortwood Road. We're going to drive the full length of Shortwood Road. We've never done that before. So we're turning right. This right too as a shortcut to go to Barbican. right turn to go to Barbican, but you have to know because some of them are dead ends. Scarlet Close on your left, Bramwell Drive on your left. Arcadia on your right, Woodlands Court on your left. Whoa, these roads are so bad. Oh my goodness, they're worse than Portmore. These roads don't look good at all. I've never seen these Uptown roads looking so bad. Potholes everywhere. There was a lot of rain this morning, so you can see there's a lot of fog in the hills. Stella Maris Church on your right, Stella Maris Nursery and pre-kindergarten on your right, Hall Boulevard on your right. We're going on to Olivier Road now. If you take this right turn, that goes up to Shortwood Teachers College and into Cherry Garden. So we already did that drive already. So we're gonna make a little detour, then come back. This is Alderdice. Wanted to do that drive on a sunny day. Oh, these roads look really bad, really bad. Norbrook Acres Road. These are the rich people places. I wonder if this looks like it's a dead end. Reversing. The next left I should have taken. Ouch. This place is right next to a big gully, you know, so like it would flood. U-turn. So we're coming back out now. It's like a little horseshoe. Apartments over here. Already did this road. We have a Hawkeye rapid response base on the right. We can still do it again. I think I've done it in the night when I went Cherry Garden side. Avocado. So if you go right, that will be Manor Park. Straight ahead is Manor Center. So we are going on to Constant Spring Road now. We have Kemlani Mart over there, so for furniture and all of that, appliances. Popeye's over there. There's a supermarket, I think, over there too. We're gonna drive through that little a shopping center. We're not gonna tour it, we're just gonna drive through. It's on your left. Cassava piece. Tax office, we did that drive already. On your left is Immaculate Conception High School and the Constant Spring Golf Club. And this is one of the newer plazas. Oh my, past the entrance. Super Valu Plaza. Domino's, you have Wendy's, you have Jack Super Cleaners, a dental place. Straight ahead you have the Masala, you have Golden Bowl Chinese restaurant, Masala restaurant. You have a supermarket here on your right. You have ICWI's up here, you have the bakery. Pink Link Cellular, Super Valu Pharmacy, Flow Store is up here. I need to make a little turn. One way. There's additional parking to the back. didn't know there was parking to the back. Just want to turn, but let's see if I can drive straight around. Maybe not. Let's see. Apparently you can. Supermarket delivery door there, so delivery areas for the different stores. Preventing from park. What if they won't park? I'll park right there, yeah, too close to it. That was the back of the plaza. That was it. Wow. I want to drive and show you the rest of the stores. Exit and entrance there, so too. Oh, more parking is down this side. They have Fresh Foods Super Valu store on cart. Must be a wine place. Cafe Blue, Golden Fountain, Wendy's, Domino's, Broadbent, Masala Walk, Crocs, Devon House Ice Cream, Closet Code, Best Buds, Kitchen Paradise, Ping Links, Broadbent, the Life Store, not sure what is the Life Store, Jamaica Southeast, Glow Spa. That seems like it. Everything is in here. We have exit and entrance on Constant Spring Road, and another entrance at further up that we had passed already. So if you miss that, you can't miss this entrance. And when you turn left on the road, the first left, there's another entrance and exit there. Well planned out plaza. Okay guys, so we have done Constant Spring Road already down. We're gonna still drive down a little more, but what I will do, I will just wrap up here and just do a little driving and close off. So thank you again for watching my video. I don't take it for granted because I know you have many options. So thank you very much for watching my video. And remember to press that little red arrow at the bottom right hand of the screen to subscribe if you're watching it on your TV. Can you please pick up your phone and just go to Natural Living by Enovi, E-N-O-V-I, and subscribe. And you can also press on the notification bell so that you can know be notified whenever I put out a video. And press the thumbs up button please to give the video a like and make a little comment, just a nice video, or if you have any questions you want to ask, or if anything you want to say, you can do that. It will help to push out my video a little more so we can get some more views. And I just want to thank you again and have a great day. Bye. Passing Scotiabank. That's my favorite, Scotiabank. I usually get to quicker there than any other Scotiabank. There's an NCB here. There's Auto Zone place on your right. NCB Banking and Financial Service Center. Okay guys, so this is Constant Spring Road. You turn left, you go straight down. You can turn right to go Manning's